Alright, checking in here in Poblacion. Altang puyat ako. We're attending the Netflix event Stranger Things Season 5 Volume 1. At we're going here sa Dr. Wine, Poblacion for a media event. So let's check it out, yo. And I see red. This is from the upside down. Check it out, yo. Oh my god. Everything is color red. May mga bicycle pa. Galing kami dito kanina pero hindi pwede magpapasok eh. And ito mga staff are wearing the shirts. Mga staff. Atik mga guide yata namin yun. And here we go. Let's go inside. Gabi, puro kulay pula lahat, oh. So ito ata yung pupuntahan namin eh. One last adventure. We're going to Annex House, Pepco, Alamata Napotica, Fun Roof. Ay, Fun Roof! Alright. And let's go inside. Oh, lahat kulay red. Grabe. So, ito, buyer's bar ba to? May mga pagkain. It's a food festival. Demogorgon meal. So, pasok tayo. Saan sila papunta? Saan papunta? Ito, tambayan dito sa kabila. Let's go in. Hello!
Thank you. Thank you very much. Hello.
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 So, okay. Parang chill out area to, ah.
But you will have to finish them before 8:45 p.m.
Photos, take your videos, board the seat to the next part of Stranger Things Themed Upside Down.
Next up, we have Fun Roof. True to the name, you can try different theme games.
Loot bag! Stranger Things, check it out, yo. Magtutour na kami sa Hawkins. Pero kami care kit dito. Let's check it out, yo. So, check natin to. Para ba gumagana to?
So we can take pictures and on charge.
Dagdag ilaw. Ito si Miss Lynching. Unboxing na.
I have no idea what this is. I'm guessing it's glasses. Okay, so let's put that back in and then set our radio to 5. Wow!
Anong check?
Wait, 5 ito?
Oo. Ang daming channel! Ang daming channel! Sige pa nga! Sige, salta ka. Try mo, salta ka. Hello.
5'6".
Paano ko malalaman yung fake? Bakery 1 to Bakery 2, coming. Do you copy? Bakery 1 to Bakery 2. Do you copy? Susie Poo, are you there? Do you copy? Wala si Susie Sue. Bakery 1, Bakery 2. We are reaching the upside down realm sa Good Chef Craft.
Harap natin. Harap natin tahimik.
Yung character sticker. Okay. Saan siya? Anong ano to?
Pepco Park.
Pepco Parking.
Sticker me! Wow, may kumakanta na ng Never Ending Story.
Pepco. Ayan.
Papatay ko na nga.
Alright. Unleash your power! Si Eleven nagpapakute. Galing! Oh, next.
Ang ginagawa rito. Ano nga ba ginagawa rito? Parang may isang kalaban na kumakalabas. Parang bagay si Masko. Bye! Panuunin kita. Asneya.
Ay, shucks.
Thank you.
Hala.
Ang init pala dito sa upside down.
Class na to.
Ako mauna. Ay, props. May props. Pang season 5 talaga to. Pang season 5. Season 5. Alam na, kanood na to. Ay, ang galing. Nanood na tong si Anne.
Nice, thank you.
Nanood ka na. Ay, ang galing.
Ay, masyado malayo. Ayan. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa, 1.
RC Larga, nice to meet you. Kapag kailangan gamot, huwag mahihiyang magtanong.
Pwede magtanong?
Mercury Drive, ito.
Saan ang next namin? So we are on a hunt. Ano bang hinahunting namin? Hindi ko alam. Baka we're hunting si Vecna, si Aling Vecna.
Aling Beba.
Aling Beba, halo-halo. Oy, kasama natin si Miss Lynching. Oh, yeah. Astig.
Para may ilaw.
Ayan.
Oh my God! It's about
Nasa ano kami, gabi ng lagim.
yes! Philippinized.
Oo.
Philippinized na yan. Localized.
Grabe, we're walking around Poblacion, ha? We're walking, hinahanap namin yung mga setup ng Netflix Stranger Things Season 5.
Aminin natin, hindi natin edad to, pero you know.
Huwag ka naman i-reveal, okay lang.
Sumasabay tayo.
Gen Z tayo eh, Gen Z kami, Gen Z.
Feeling, Jen.
Oh, feeling Gen Z. Oh, eto na, nakita ko na, oh my God, parang haunted house. Ito yung lumang, parang warehouse na ginawang bar.
Oh my God.
So, very old. I think dyan kami pupunta yata. Eddie Munson trailer! Uy, astig. Eddie Munson trailer. I think dyan kami pupunta. Daming bikes. Oops, kotse! Uy, si Eddie Munson pala sa taas, oh! Oh my God! Si Eddie! Oh, di ba?
The diesel.
Masters of Puppet. Galing, grabe. Nice setup. So yung mga samahan ko umakit na sa Eddie Munson's trailer at may doon kami libreng drinks. Thank you, Eddie Munson. Asan sila? Ito na. Inuman na to. Demo bat. Oh my God. Naalala ko to. Portal. Portal. Yung portal. Oo. Na trailer. Alright. Ito ba yung laman ng Stranger Things 5? Actually, laman nito is meron siya kasama. Walkie-talkie. Yan. Walkie-talkie. Meron siyang lamang actually laman ko raincoat. Raincoat yan. Meron dito yung mapa. May mapa. Miso Life. Charger ng walkie-talkie. And a disposable film camera. Gumagana siya, gumagana siya. On na natin. On ba siya? Ano pala na? Umiilaw na siya. Mag one shot nga lang tayo. Subukan natin. Magigreen yata. Or magana. Eddie Manson, where are you? Wala. Demo Gordon na, Demo Gordon na. Ha? So, continuing on our journey in Poblacion, Hawkins. Next building kami. Next, marami pa kami nagba-bar hopping. Parang pub crawl tawag. Pero basta Stranger Things thing. At may konting adventure. So, okay na, masaya naman. Ito ata kami sa The Fun Roof. We're going up.
Lola niya, simula nung pinanganak siya.
Dito sa kabila. Alam ko tong bar na to. Maganda tong bar na to eh. Buyer's house! Oh my gosh. Kinain na ng ugat. Pasok tayo. We are now entering the upside down. Check natin. Surprise sila eh. Talagang may disco music. Oh my god, this DJ. Oh my god, it's a different party sa Buyer's house ha. Nice one. May pa DJ pa. Oh my god. Nakatip.
Oo nga eh. Sabi ko nga dapat mag-parap pa.
Jake! Yan! Generation namin yan! We are going to exit the buyer's house.
Thank you po, ma'am, sir.
Ay! 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 Ano butik na yan? Hello, hello.
Thank you, ma'am, sir.
Thank you. Asaya ng party doon. Asaya ng party. Number one. Celtics number one. So, Starcourt Mall kami. Ay, wala pa sticker doon sa taas. Taas na. Starcourt Mall pala. Okay.
Ay, di ba meron na dito sa
So, literal, nasa Starcourt Mall kami. Mall yan.
Yung Santa sa Pilipinas na
Napindot lang, wala pa. Napindot na. Okay, let's go. 1, 2. Kaya sama ka na sa likod, ayoko. Ilaw ko. Wow! Saan tayo?
Taas. Ito, sticker muna tayo. Sa sticker na lang, and we're done. Kaya tayo sa Guardians of the Galaxy. Ay, hindi pala. Netflix pala to. Stranger Things. Uy! Hello! Chips Ahoy! Eto.
Hindi mo Gordon ka na.
Oy! Oh my gulay! Oh my God, may Godzilla. Pailaw pa. What's going on? Alright guys, sa likod natin may malaking Demogorgon sa ibabaw ng Starcourt Mall. At may pangapailaw siya. Fireworks in the air.
Hindi ba nagbuko ako ng Grab? Akala ko nagbuko ka din.
Oh my God, ang creepy. Ay, may lumalabas na bola. Ano to? Baseball pala to, baseball. It's baseball.
Ay, oo nga. Video.
Guys, hindi ako takutan.
Uy, may baseball nga oh.
Ay, salita ka.
Ay!
Batter up!
Tatarap, lalaban ako. Palaban na ako.
Yan oh. Acting!
Wow!
Sa likod mo!
Woo! Si Steve nandyan!
Uy! Uy, may volume 2 pa, may volume 2.
We can do this, guys.
Nox!
9 o'clock.
Hanggang Sunday.
Hanggang Sunday.
Baka makadamage ako, mahirap na. So, anong kwento kay paring Steve?
Thank you po. Okay, wait lang. Oops.
Yun na, sige!
Dalawa.
What big Linda? Oo, yun yung sasabihin ko. Yung big Linda.
Matigas dito. Matigas din eh.
Galit. Slow mo. Natatakot ako na tamaan ni Paris ka rin. Sorry na!
Ang ganda ng capture ng ano mo. Parang ayoko na mag-iPhone ka.
Nakaka-iPhone ka.
Imitasyon ka pala.
Okay. Thank you.
Linaw ng honor, oh.
Ganda oo nga eh.
Grabe siya, parang pelikula.
Akala ko.
Sige nga, tama na.
Pati na kami.
Cute.
Okay. God, we're ano, nasa Scoops Ahoy kami. Scoops Ahoy. Ayun, alak. Ayan. Takbo, takbo. Anong? Oh my God, we're here. Upside down.
Oh, there it is.
Hindi ko mabasa, oh my God. White Rabbit. We're entering Vecna's mind there. Mind there. Pasok na kami. This is the last stage na. Stamp. Alright. Oh my gulay.
Guys, galing ah.
You made it through the entire upside down world, but I see a lot of familiar faces, and yes, please keep taking the entire area. The gates. Ah, okay, the mother gate. You want to enter that? What else are we seeing here?
Alex House. I like that one too.
Look up her photo. You saw the QR code. You can see her photo. Favorite spot throughout the entire upside down experience.
My favorite spot is right here with you, Vince Velasco. It's right here with our Steve Harrington.
Kiss, kiss!
Why did I kiss your armpit? Okay.
We can begin. There's no time.
So I'm gonna point the mic at you. I'm gonna count down 3, 2, 1. You can yell to Doom in 3, 2, 1. Fantastic! Thank you all so much.
I love it.
So ito yung gift basket ni Stranger Things Netflix. Basket na may bike handlebar at bell. Paano yun? Paano yun? Gulong na lang yung kulang tsaka upuan. And that's the end of our Upside Down adventure here in Poblacion, Makati. Thank you so much, Netflix Philippines, for the invite. Congratulations on Stranger Things Season 5, the finale. So, ayun. Thank you. At thank you sa basket. Alright. So, kita kids, watch Stranger Things Season 5 on Netflix. 4 episode out now. And see you sa Christmas and sa New Year. Alright, kita kids. Thank you.